In the southern tip of India, where the sea touches the skies, there lies a temple, not just a devotion, but of untold riches, deep secrets, and timeless faith. In Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Lord Vishnu, Padmanabhaswamy, reclining on Ananta, the serpent of infinity. The origins of the Padmanabhaswamy temple vanish into the fog of myth and history. Some say it was built at the very beginning of Kali Yuga, over 5000 years ago. Legends speak of, says Devakara Muni, who performed deep penance in a forest. One day, Lord Vishnu appeared before him in the form of a mischievous boy. Testing the sage's patience, the boy vanished into a tree. When the sage split the tree open, Vishnu appeared in his infinity form, lying on the five-headed serpent Ananta. Shocked and awed, the sage begged the Lord to stay, and that's how Ananta Padmanabha came to rest eternally in Thiruvananthapuram, which means the city of Lord Ananta. From 14th to 17th century, over the centuries, kings of the Vanad kingdom began constructing the magnificent temple. In 1461, the Ottakal Mandapam, a grand stone platform, was added. In 1566, the famous Gopuram was completed. In 1686, a terrible fire damaged the sanctum, but restoration would soon begin. The temple was slowly becoming a divine fortress with ancient Salgramam stones, rare architectural wonders, and growing a network of underground chambers. From 1729 to 1750, then came the king who changed everything. Anizam Tirunal Martandavarma, ruler of Travancore, ascended the throne in 1729. He was not just a conqueror, he was a devotee. After defeating all his enemies and expanding his kingdom, Martandavarma did something no other king dared. On January 3, 1750, he stood before the idol of Padmanabhaswamy and declared, "The kingdom is no longer mine, it belongs to you, O Lord." With that, he donated his entire empire to the deity in a ceremony called Trippadidanam. From that day on, all Travancore kings carried the title Padmanabhadasa, the servant of the Lord. They ruled not as monarchs, but as caretakers of God's kingdom. Over generations, devotees and royals offered countless treasures to the temple. Gold coins from Rome, Venetian jewels, Persian artifacts, British and Mughal gifts. These were not displayed, not sold, not shown. They were hidden deep beneath the temple in 6 massive underground vaults named A to F. Only the highest priests and royal family knew what was inside until the world came knocking. From 2007 to 2011, in 2007, a retired Indian lawyer named T.P. Sundararajan, once a royal legal advisor, filed a court case. He argued the temple treasures belongs to the public, not the royal family. In 2011, the Supreme Court of India ordered the vaults to be opened and inventoried. What following was beyond imagination. Gold chains 18 feet long, thousands of rubies, emeralds and diamonds, antique crowns, golden idols, gem-encrusted thrones, an estimated value over $22 billion in Indian rupee, 1 lakh crore rupees. But the most mysterious vault, Vault B, remained shut. Vault B was different. No lock, no key, just a heavy iron gate with a carved serpent guarding it. Legends say that ancient sages sealed this vault with powerful mantras. Priests warned the court, opening it may unleash misfortune or deaths. In fact, in the 1930s, when British officials considered opening it, a wave of snake slightings and deaths halted the effort. Even in 2011, while other vaults were opened, Vault B stayed sealed. Religious leaders, the royal family, and even the Supreme Court hesitated. And to this day, Vault B has never been opened. Some believe it hides more treasure than all other vaults combined, an ancient weapon or divine artifact, a subterranean passage or lost city beneath the temple. We may never know. In 2020, After years of legal battle, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the Travancore royal family had the right to manage the temple. Though the king is gone, the servant of Padmanabha still lives. The court respected the royal family's age-old vow. Everything in the temple belongs to the deity alone. In June 2025, after nearly 270 years, the temple performed a grand Mahakumbhabhishekam, a powerful reconsecration ceremony. The current head of the royal family, Molam Tirunal Ramavarma, led the rituals carrying forward the tradition of kings who rule not with the power but with humility. The Ananta Padmanabhaswamy temple is not just stone, treasure, or legend. It is a living story of faith above power, humility over wealth, and devotion deeper than time itself. Even with billions locked beneath its floors, the temple teaches one simple truth: everything belongs to God. We are only His servants.